Do you want this kind of text? I will show you how you can make it yourself in Davinci Resolve. First of all, you want to create a new timeline. Make sure you follow my steps. You want to uncheck the box and go to Format. Change the frame rate to 60 FPS. This will make our text effect smoother. As you can see, we now have our timeline. Now you want to go over to the title section and choose Text Plus. Write anything you want. I'm just going to write test. After this, you can change your font. I will use the bold font. Now you want to go right-click on your text and click Open in Fusion page. This part is simple. Click Shift plus space. Search up Proto. I will put a download link if you don't have Proto. Now you can see that it will add an effect to your text. On the right, you can modify your text. I will speed up my modification process. And here we have the final result. Thanks for watching.